Hi everyone, this is Toth and today I am going to make clean and simple Lawn Fawn cards with only one stamp set. I am going to include the copy coloring too. This video is a part of a collaboration which I am going to make with my crafty friends Laura and Marine. I love these sweet and creative ladies so much. I am always inspired by their works. After you watch my video, be sure to check and subscribe to their channels. They make amazing content. There is one more reason to check and comment their videos. It's because I have a giveaway too. You can find the details in the description box, but I will speak about this later in the video. Now let's start my clean and simple project. As I said, I am going to use only one stamp set, and that's the Lawn Fawn Yeti or Not stamp set. I stamped the super cute images with my Misty. I have used a beautiful brown premium ink pad called Crunchy Leaf. This brown shade gives the images a more soft look when they will be colored. I fill the gaps with tiny images, but I am not sure which I am going to use, so I will save the leftover for my next project. After a quick heat set, I started the coloring with my Copic markers. Because it's a clean and simple card, I wanted to make a really soft but unique coloring. First I am coloring the whole image with W0 to wet my surface. Next I continue with RV00 and Yellow 00 to make a quick color toning. The next is the C3 Cool Grey and I am going to mark the fur lines. My next is the W3, which is the absolute opposite shade of the previous one. The reason why I am using these two shades together is because it will help me to pop out the images. When I am done with my first image, I am going to make the highlights with Signo Uniball white pen. This is my absolute favorite pen for highlights. Now I am going to turn a little music and I will be back soon with the next step. Don't worry, I am not going to speed up the process, just enjoy the coloring. If you are not interested in this section or want to skip this process, just click the time in the description box below. After the coloring, I fussy cut the images and continue the process with ink blending. I am going to use the spun sugar, tumbled glass and squeezed lemonade distress oxide inks with small sponge daubers. It's because I wanted a more detailed blending, and with these tools I have better control. I have used only 3 colors, and when I blended them together I got a sweet pastel rainbow. I splattered on it clear water as well as white watercolor and let it dry. Next I continue with die cutting. You can find these used supplies in the description box below. I decided to use the Lawn Fawn Speckled Eggshell heavyweight cardstock. Look how amazing this ivory cardstock is. It's like a raw paper and I really loved its texture. My next step is the sentiment stamping, and I am going to use the same crunchy leaf, ink pad and stamp with Misty. When the sentiment was done, I started to put my card together. As you can see, my mountains are semi-transparent because of the vellum. I really love it. I have added a big sweet sentiment die cut which I made from Kraft cardstock die cuts. Now some information about my giveaway. As I said, I am going to give away a cute prize pack and of course a card from me. This giveaway is open internationally and I am going to pick one winner from the comments. However, not only from comments under my video, but from comments under Laura's and Marine's videos too. If you want to win these sweet and funny gifts, please tell in your comment what is your favorite card making technique and why. That's all, and you are in. I will share the winner soon on the first day of my Lawn Fawn holiday series. If you want to be notified, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to don't miss it. In the end, I embellished my card with glitter brush pen, added some clear sequins, and my cards were ready. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I am not perfect in cast cards, but I really like the result. If you like it too, please share it with your crafty friends. It's free and you will make me super happy. Thanks for watching, and now check your next video in the description box. Laura has a giveaway too. Bye bye!